So here's a little update. This is where we're at today. I've literally just moved it because where the caravan was behind the fence, I'm going to be building a new shed because my garage is leaking. Just opened it up since I've bagged it up last year. Let's have a look inside. So after a little tidy up, this is the inside. All the stud work was completed. I need to sort new electrics. Put the insulation in the wall, that's 25mm foil back foam. On the ceiling we're going to be using foil bubble, I think, insulation. I have actually got some foil insulation already, but it's only like 1mm thick, if that. But that's equivalent to 50mm polystyrene insulation, so I might do a couple of layers of that in the stuck to the roof. And then I need to put new hardboard back over. I'm not putting electrics in the ceiling because I'm going to do something quite funky in the middle on the outside. Turn around, that's the timber that's left from the old walls. I'm probably going to reuse it as structure to the walls or anything that I do inside, because it's quite small compared to the roof locks I've used. Apart from that, there's not much else to say until I start cracking on. The next video will most likely be something to do with something I've mentioned. So, I'll speak to you soon.